Today we're going to be making roasted cauliflower with cheese. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need cauliflower, olive oil, Mexican cheese, Parmesan cheese, pepper, and salt. First, we have to cut the cauliflower. We got cauliflower that was cut already into a perfect piece. But some are a little too big, so we'll have to cut them in half. But when we cut them in half, we have to do it from the stem. We want to cut all the cauliflower. We have to transfer the ones we caught to the baking sheet. Cut the cauliflower, but we have to put oil, salt, and pepper on the cauliflower and then mix. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and bake for 30 minutes. Our cauliflower has finished baking. It looks so good and juicy. Next, after it had baked, we have to sprinkle it with 2 kinds of cheese. I'm going to use Mexican cheese and Parmesan cheese. Since we want the cheese to melt and make the cauliflower have more flavor, you have to pop it into the oven again for 2 minutes. It looks so yummy and cheesy. The cheese really adds texture. It's time to try it. Good. I love it. It's cheesy and mushy and good. I like how it's like really soft and cheesy. The cheese gives like a lot of flavor. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. The yummiest cauliflower in the whole world. Just melt in your mouth.